Hi everyone! You might have seen that Almaty was chosen in the New York Times hot list of 52 destinations for 2024. About time, I say. To describe a city as wonderful as Almaty, it's not enough to use simple adjectives. In this two-part video, I'm going to explain how to either amplify what you feel or be more diplomatic. We're going to look at a group of adverbs called intensifiers and mitigators. Here are some examples. As you can see, there are lots of them, so we're just going to deal with the most common. The people of Almaty are very friendly. Здравствуйте. And unlike the capital Astana, which is freezing in winter and extremely hot in summer, Almaty's climate is much more comfortable. But the main reason I love this city is that it's incredibly green and orange, and sometimes red. Now, these three can only be used with non-extreme adjectives such as hot and cold, but not with extreme adjectives such as boiling or freezing. For extremes, we can use... And of course, the mountains are absolutely stunning. I'm totally in awe of them. So overall, I'm really pleased that Almaty is finally getting some recognition, and I'm absolutely amazed that it's not more popular with tourists. Really, by the way, can be used with all adjectives, non-extreme and extreme. All of these come before the adjective. One exception is the word enough. The intensifier comes after the adjective. So Almaty is a huge city, but the centre is comfortable enough to get around by bike or on foot. Intensifiers are often used with comparatives and superlatives. Comparatives we can use much. Almaty is much more expensive than Astana in terms of living costs, but you get what you pay for, as they say. It's also a lot worse for traffic, despite the fact that it's more comfortable to walk here. Almaty is far better for cultural events. With superlatives, we have one or two options. We can use by far or easily, as in you might be skeptical, but believe me when I say this is by far my favourite city for its proximity to the mountains. So what about mitigators? We'll cover those in the next video.